In the following clip, former Supreme Court Judge Justice A.K. Sikri, while speaking at Moneylife Foundation's third annual RTI lecture, examines the recent criticism that the Supreme Court has received with respect to its functioning. He covers the aspects of PILs and over activism while also addressing why the source of change in a government cannot come from the judicial arm.
We know uh, at, of late there is again some criticism of the Supreme Court for whatever for so many reasons. There are some issues which have I'll only flag those issues which have been raised, that all that is whether okay even today the court is uh, protecting the rights of the people, but whether it is doing it selectively. Now, and other thing is power of the contempt which is used by the court, whether it is justified. Role of the Chief Justice of India as master of the roster, whether it is being this role is being discharged in an objective manner, or there is some criticism to that, and whether the Supreme Court or the other courts are acting selectively by not taking some of the issues which are very very important, and sidelining or playing the role of a procrastinating institution, not giving them the priority, but giving priority to other cases. Maybe, you see, at the end of the day, it may be that PIL or over activism which judiciary indulge into, which Justice Venkachalaya also said, maybe is an invitation for all this kind of criticism. Because with this, although it has done wonders for the welfare of the people in this country, no doubt about it, but then enlarging the scope of PILs only from marginalized section of the society for the poor and illiterate and access to justice by broadening the this locus standi rule, with which it started, and going to the and intervening in every kind of political matter or policy decisions also, by and in the process becoming over activism, whether because with this the expectations of society has also gone high. Now it is not, the judiciary cannot act as a catalyst. Ultimately, change in the society, if it has to come, it has to come from other sources. It is not that it is the role of the judiciary. I think the system has to be devised how to prioritize the case. It should not remain that kind of opaque system which is perceived when the criticism comes.